Upgrade your cooking routine, essential appliances to make your life easier. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen? Struggling to prepare meals? Do you want to level up your cooking routine and make it more efficient? Look no further. In this video, I will share some essential appliances that will revolutionize your cooking experience and save you valuable time. Cooking can be a daunting task, but with the right appliances, it can become a breeze. Let's start with the first must-have appliance: a programmable slow cooker. Imagine coming home after a long day to the savory aroma of a perfectly cooked meal. With a slow cooker, you can set it and forget it. Simply add your ingredients in the morning, set the timer, and let it work its magic throughout the day. By the time you're ready to eat, your meal will be tender, flavorful, and ready to be enjoyed. Next on the list is a versatile food processor. Whether you're chopping vegetables, making sauces, or kneading dough, a food processor can do it all. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and slicing by hand. With a food processor, you can effortlessly achieve consistent results in a fraction of the time. It's a true multitasker that will become your go-to kitchen companion. Now, let's talk about the game changer: an Instant Pot. This all-in-one appliance combines the functions of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, and more. With an Instant Pot, you can cook meals up to 70% faster without sacrificing flavor. It's perfect for busy individuals who want to enjoy home-cooked meals without spending hours in the kitchen. From soups and stews to risottos and desserts, the possibilities are endless with this kitchen marvel. Another appliance that will simplify your cooking routine is an air fryer. Craving crispy, golden brown foods without the guilt of deep frying? An air fryer is your answer. This innovative appliance uses hot air circulation to cook food, resulting in a crispy exterior and tender interior. You can enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 80% less oil. From fries and chicken wings to vegetables and even desserts, an air fryer opens up a world of healthier possibilities. Last but not least, a high-quality blender is an essential appliance for any cooking routine. Whether you're making smoothies, sauces, or soups, a powerful blender can blend, puree, and pulverize ingredients with ease. It's a versatile tool that will help you create silky smooth textures and unlock new culinary possibilities. Incorporating these essential appliances into your cooking routine will revolutionize the way you prepare meals. They will save you time, make your life easier, and allow you to experiment with new recipes and flavors. So why wait? Upgrade your cooking routine and unleash your inner chef with these must-have appliances. Now that you're armed with the knowledge of these essential appliances, it's time to put it into action. Start by investing in one or two appliances that resonate with you and your cooking style. Experiment with different recipes and techniques. And don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. And remember, the key to a successful cooking routine is to have fun and enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. Happy cooking!